she has no idea what she's doing. And we've known about this act since
Clueless.
November.
Yeah.
At least.
As
Where's
usual.
Aunt Char?
And Char's right here.
That's pretty with this episode.
Oh my gosh.
Remember, Laura, they said they're not going to drop you on the floor.
Oh my god. Let me...
Huh? That's the only thing I know.
You're good. Yeah, same here.
And they love you. Remember, they love you.
We love you very much. No, I can't say it. First, we're gonna get started off. We're gonna take a really quick picture to captivate this moment.
want all the
First,
audience
we want
in
our
this.
audience in this for them.
So we're gonna turn.
So everybody, just go ahead and say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay. Alrighty. Thanks, Chris. Sean, you guys do it.
Char, you don't know, I know.
Wait, let me see that again. Chris, let me see that again.
Sean, run up there and Sean, take a picture.
I got it.
Sean, put it up. Christopher, Sean, no.
Okay. It's all good, honey. It's all good.
Oh, that's too funny.
It's good, Laura. You'll find out soon.
It's good.
Remember, they love you.
You're about to get engaged.
Prearranged marriage.
To your cousin. It was
Nothing says loving like hugging
Give me
your
a quick
cousin.
second. Is there anything anybody wants to say? Just give her some
I'll
words of
give her
comfort.
away. Like that.
Without giving
daughter,
your
I
way.
love you, good daughter. They're not
say-
doing anything to hurt you.
Can we
They're
say
trying to
meow?
take your misery away.
Laura,
Yeah?
Huh?
Not yet.
they love you. Remember that.
Do you see her? She's literally clenching.
She is clenching her teeth. She's got knuckles going white.
It is all worth it in the end. Just in time.
Oh, they're going to send her another one.
No, sir.
Yeah, if the Wi-Fi or the service was better, this would be a lot faster.
Yes, it's very good.
They're trying to send her another one.
Oh well. Okay, well then maybe I think I'll just show her something really quick.
Oh my
Okay.
God. We'll do it this way so it was not sending.
We wanted
Okay.
to send a picture, but
But we couldn't do this, so
The service is shut.
so we're just gonna go ahead and
Go get the
Oh my God, that was priceless. That is priceless.
We even just
They were saying 130 a day. Right? Oh, 30 Charlene got her phone. Going back on the